Okay, what are those funny looking birds out there? There's 3 of them. 1 in the driveway and 2 in that yard across the street. Man, they're funny looking. Look at that.
That's easy for you to say.
Let's see if I can get a close up of them. Yeah, they're over there across the street. Some kind of big birds with big mouths. Look how long their mouths is. I don't know what kind of bird that is. That ain't a duck. That ain't no duck. It's a big white bird with long mouths. I don't know what they call them.
Be careful, it's dark in there. Don't worry, Mom, I've got eyes like a cat.
I just don't know what they are.
Jane, I told you, I'm perfectly at home in the dark.
Anyway, you saw it right here on Let's See It Please.
We left a pen.